Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Choco. Hope you all are doing well. So if you're aware, I'm doing a Christmas series with hashtag 10 days to Christmas with Me. So when we think of Christmas, we think of snow, we think of snowman, we think of winters. So here is my next take. So on the 9th day, I'll be creating this cutie pie and super easy snowman. So I hope you will enjoy watching this. So let's get started. All the nail arts that I've created under the Christmas series are very easy and quick to create. Please give them a try. And voila, this is the final outcome, a cute tiny little snowman sitting on that red base with snow around. If you did like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Choco and follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, take care.